Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you my new Canon remote control. It comes with this remote and a wire. You can connect one side here and the other side to put on your camera. There are 5 options on here. The first one is delay time. That means the time before every photo shoot. And the second one is the exposure time. And the third one is the time between each photo. And the fourth one is how many photos you would like to take. And the last one is the sound for shutter. So I would like to turn to mute. And you can control it automatically by pushing this button, or you could control it manually by pushing this button. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.